Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the surprising impacts of AI that you probably didn't see coming. Let's get started. First up, job automation. We all know AI is taking over repetitive tasks, but did you know it's also creating new job opportunities? From AI ethics managers to data annotators, the job market is evolving. However, the transition can be tough. Industries need to reskill their workforce to keep up with AI advancements. Next, ethical dilemmas. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we face big questions about privacy and bias. Imagine AI making decisions in criminal justice or hiring processes. Ensuring fairness and transparency is crucial, but it's a work in progress. Let's talk about personalization overload. AI-driven recommendations are great, right? But too much personalization can create echo chambers, limiting exposure to diverse viewpoints. Balancing personalization with diversity is key to a well-rounded digital experience. Finally, the environmental impact. Training AI models requires massive computational power, which consumes a lot of energy. This contributes to carbon emissions. The tech industry is exploring greener alternatives, but it's an ongoing challenge. So, there you have it, the unexpected consequences of AI development. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video.